Hey guys! Welcome to my gender reveal. Sorry, Dad. Look at my beautiful backdrop. I'm obviously new at this whole vlogging thing. Johnny, can you take the camera back? Yeah, our family has a vlog thing.
I bet over on that one.
Okay, welcome to my little brother's first baby gender reveal. Say hi to Kehlani. Okay, say hi to my mom.
I need a pocket in this bed.
Honey, this is the YouTube. Follow me on Instagram. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Hold on, let me go give this back to my sister. Hi, brother. This is my beautiful sister-in-law, and she is fully pregnant with a baby girl inside of her stomach. That's gonna be the first girl in their family. Hey, girlfriend. Hi. Okay, I don't know what to do. I don't vlog. Here, honey, you take this one. Look, that's everybody. That's C-Nate. Hi, C-Nate. Who am I taking that for?
Hey, Lena, are you gonna go make a plate? I don't know what to do with this. No, I'm like an independent. Huh? No. I don't know what to do with this. Huh? Am I recording? I don't know. It's recording. Oh, it's recording. There you go. So you're Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. Today is Danny and JK's gender reveal. Say hi. Hello. Say hi, everybody. It's a girl. It's a girl. I am also team girl. Team girl. Team girl. Let me know in the comments what you think it is. If you want to play,
We're gonna use our words today, Callie.
I'll use your words, honey. Use your words.
Go ahead. Pepin? What a great party! You're all in electronics.
Hi, Johnny.
Hi, guys. There's a lot of dogs here too.
Oh, relax. I just want the plate. The plate. That's gonna start cleaning the face.
Nate, team girl or team boy?
Oh, where'd it go? It fell off.
I found it in my
I'm team girl.
Team Bay?
Oh, it might be.
It fell off.
Henry, team boy or team girl?
All genders.
All of them. Equal opportunity. Okay.
No, team boy.
Team boy. Hi, Eden. Happy birthday. Happy late birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
It's like that was 3 days ago.
Where's Nari?
It don't matter. It's his birthday.
I know, I'm still celebrating. Hey, team boy or team girl? Team boy. Okay.
It's always team boy. Even with their own kid, it was team boy.
Amy, what team?
The boy.
It's the boy. Okay.
Boy.
Kat, are you team girl?
Team girl.
Team girl.
Now you don't got sticker. Well, it's a bleach shirt. So
Yeah. Bland, what you say? It's the boy? What would his name be?
Tahim.
A Khmer name.
My name?
A boy?
Maybe a boy, yep.
That is not a name.
To a boy.
To a boy. It's the girl.
I'm guessing.
Ronnie's gonna make the first girl for her family.
I don't take pictures. We start right here. Okay?
Like a wedding?
you go around and say, hey.
No, we take turns one side.
And then like, oh,
We start somewhere. Is
Oh, pick me up and look how much money you have.
that how it works?
I'm the baby, that's my mommy, that's my daddy, we're all sharks. Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do. Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, do-do-do-do-do. I'm a baby, I need my mommy.
We forgot about the crossing the tally.
Well, I was looking for a girl the whole time, but I thought her belly looked like a boy.
Same.
And I was like, I'm still looking for a girl.
Same.
You gotta know the girl's name, Kuno. Ava?
That's for tally. More power down there. Name suggestions.
Crap.
I can't. So Coochie, that was gonna be Kuno.
Oh my god.
So Coochie, and that's me. So Coochie. So with a Coochie. Ellie, what name suggestion you got? Ellie? Zoe is cute.
Danny and Johnny, so something with the T.
Vanessa.
Tammy.
Vanessa. Valerie Violet.
I like Zoe.
What is it, Johnny?
My dog name is Belka. Maybe Bellamy. Bellamy sounds like salami. Is Bella Johnny? My son loves salami. Sorry, Anne.
When you want to name her, Jaya, that's me.
What do you want to name her?
Donalyn.
It was so good.
Hey, I didn't catch that.
The name was so good, it snatched her wig.
Snatch her wig. You're so silly. Oh my god, that would have been good if I caught that.
Donalyn is not cute.
Donalyn is not cute.
John Ned. Anything with the John Ned sounds like an old ass Catholic lady.
It does.
John Ned. Can we use the table as beer pong? And then move that to that one?
Oh yes,
Guys,
Colton.
I'm gonna Oh my god. I'm gonna move this table over here so we can play beer pong on this table. Okay. Yeah? Yeah, we're gonna clear off this table.
Oh. Play? Music video vibes.
Action. Scene one or no? This is scene one. It's just Clay, Nari. You're not in it.
Right, y'all, it's about time for the reveal. Bang, bang. Look at these lights, though.
Okay.
Ooh.
Get ready to do the gender reveal. Let's get it, girl. Lady the soccer girl looks like a boy. No?
She said what? I'm thinking it's a boy, but I would like a girl on these.
I hope they have a girl because
Right.
it's gonna be the first girl in your guys'.
Yes, in a long time.
Yes.
Julie's a girl.
Jill's a grown woman. No. She's much.
Hey, don't let it in. My dog's coming.
Yes! Oh shit, it's a boy. Wow. It's a girl. Wow, plot twist.
Yeah, bitch.
I wanted a girl. I'm just saying.
wanted a girl.